Okay, 16.1 Repaying Loans, Part 2. Comparing loans. Susan has a balance of $1,000 on her credit card. She stops using the card and pays the minimum monthly amount until the loan is paid off. So, using the online calculator, you enter $1,000 for 93 months at 18%. Click Calculate, and you come up with a monthly payment of $20.01. So if you multiply that monthly payment by 93 months, she'll pay back $1,860.93. So what was the cost of this loan? Well, the interest paid comes from $1,860.93 minus the $1,000 that was the balance on her credit card. So it was $860.93. All of these values are actually given to you using the online calculator. Next example. Laura has a balance of $1,000 at 18% interest on her credit card. She stops using the card. She wants to pay as much as she can each month to pay off the loan as quickly as she can. So again, put in $1,000, loan term, 3 years. Remember that 3 years is actually 36 months because it's in terms of months, and interest rate at 18%. Once you click calculate, all of these values will be given to you. So if she has a monthly payment of $36.15 and she pays it off for 36 months, it will be $1,301.40. So the cost of this loan is what she paid back, $1,301.40 minus the $1,000 balance to get $301.40 in interest paid. You use the online calculator to complete problems 6 and 7. Again, remember that the loan term is not in years, it's in months. So you'll have to make that conversion. And then give us our monthly payment, the total repayment, and the interest paid, coming directly off of your online calculator. Now you try. Okay, so problem number 6 was a $5,000 loan amount for 2 years, which means 24 months, and at an interest rate of 15%. So now click Calculate. So we can fill in the information. So the monthly payment, 24 monthly payments of, so $242.43 goes on your monthly payment line. The total repayment is $5,818.40. And then the interest paid is $818.40. So again, using the calculator, all the work is done for you. It's just a matter of you making sure you put everything on the right line. Try number 7 on your own. Okay, the only difference between these two loans is the length of the loan. The term is 2 years and 4 years, but the principal amount and the interest rate is the same. So let's calculate these and see what we get here. So now we're looking at 48 payments of $139.15. Total repayment value $6,679.38, and total interest $1,679.38. So let's look at these numbers on our worksheet and talk about the comparisons for a second. Okay, some of the things that you have to think about when comparing loans. So the principal amount was the same. One is 2 years, one is 4 years, and the interest rate is the same. So if you look at the monthly payments and compare them, for the shorter amount of time, you're going to pay more each month. But at the same time, look at the total paid back and the total interest. At the end of 4 years, you will have paid $1,679.38, whereas 2 years, it's half of that, $818.40. So it's a matter of how much interest do you want to pay, how much extra is it going to cost you, and can you afford those monthly payments at that particular interest rate. So when you're comparing, as you put these numbers into the calculator, make sure you're reading the questions and answering the questions based on those numbers in the problem. Good luck.